everyone, and welcome to English Bus. My name is Jesse. Today, our book will be American School Textbook Reading Key Pre-K 1. So let's begin. All right, today in Chapter 1, Social Studies, we will cover Unit 1. Unit 1 is seasons like summer, fall, winter, and spring, and weather like sunny or cold. First, let's talk about weather. All right, here we have 4 words and 4 pictures. Match each word with the right picture. Okay, our first word we have is cloudy. Do you know cloudy? Clouds are in the sky and they look like this. That's right. Sometimes rain falls from the clouds, but sometimes it's just a cloud. A cloud can be white or gray or even a little bit black. Which one of these pictures shows cloudy? Very good. Yes, it's this picture right here. Here is cloudy. See, there's only a little bit of sun. Instead, we only see the clouds. It's cloudy. Next, this word says sunny. Everybody knows the sun, right? Yes, the sun is very warm. It feels nice. It's bright in the sky and it's a yellow or orange or red color. Right. Which one of these pictures is sunny? Very good. Yes, it's sunny. Here, it's sunny. Next, we have rainy. All right, what is rain? That's right, it's very wet. When it's rainy, I have to use an umbrella. And the rain comes from the clouds. Okay, so here's cloudy, but there's no rain. Rain falls down, and I use an umbrella. Oh, look, here's an umbrella right here. And this is rain. This picture here is rainy. Da, da, da. And finally, we have snowy. Okay? Like rain, snow also falls from the sky. But snow is white and cold. Right? Snowy is right here. Right? This is a snowman. You can make a snowman when the weather is snowy. Now, let's ask the question, how's the weather? How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's rainy. All right, like that. Let's look at the first one here. How's the weather? All right, look at this. What is this? That's right, that's the sun. So do we say it's sun? No. What do we say? Ta-da! It is sunny. It is sunny. Very good. After me. How's the weather? It is sunny. It is sunny. Wonderful. Next, look at this one. Do you remember what this is? It's white and it's in the sky. What do we say? It is cloudy. Fantastic. Yes. How's the weather? It is cloudy. Next, here we have some clouds in the sky, but we have one more thing. What is this falling from the clouds? Is this snow? No. Look, snow is white. All right. This is water. Okay. Water falling from the sky is rain. Excellent. Yes. And here are some umbrellas. All right, what do we say? We say, it is raining. Terrific! Yes, the answer is, it is rainy. And after it is rainy, here we have some snow, right? In the winter, when it's cold, this white stuff falls from the sky. This is snow. So what do we say? It is wonderful. Yes, the answer is, ta-da! It is snowy. Great job. Now, match each word with the right picture. Rain. Our first word is rain. Do you remember what rain does? Yes, rain falls down. And is rain water or is rain cold? Excellent. Yes, rain is water. All right, which of these picture has water falling? This one right here. See, there's water falling on the umbrella. This one is rain. Boom! Ta-da! Right here. Next, snow. Just like rain, snow also falls from the sky. But what color is snow? Snow is white. White, that's right. Snow is white, and snow is very cold. And what can you make with snow? You can make a snowman. A snowman, yes. Where's the snowman? It's right here. This is snow. Boom. And after that, we have the word hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's very hot. That is hot, okay? In the summer, when there's a lot of sun, you feel hot, right? Which of these is hot? Is he hot? No, he is wearing a coat and boots and a hat. He is not hot. This boy is very hot. See, there's the sun, and he's going, He is hot. It is hot. The last one we have is cold. When you are cold, you have to wear a coat or a jacket and a hat and a muffler and gloves. Cold. He is cold. The weather is cold. Let's again ask, how's the weather today? Here is our first picture. All right, there is an umbrella, right? And some water is falling from the sky. Do you remember? Ta-da! It is raining. It is raining. Very good. After me. It is raining. All right, next, look at this. All right, there is some white stuff falling from the sky. This isn't rain. No, what is it? That's right, it's snow. See? And what are these children making? They are making a snowman. They're making a snowman. Why? How's the weather today? It is, ding, snowing. All right, after me. It is snowing. It is snowing. Wonderful. One more time. It is snowing. It is snowing. All right. Now the next one. Ooh, look at this weather. This weather has two things. Yeah, there are two things, all right? One is, ooh, it's very, very, what do you say? Wear a hat, wear gloves, wear a coat. It is and again there is snow falling from the sky. Let's say two things, okay? It is and what do we say? Ta-da! It is cold and snowy. Excellent. That's a little bit difficult. And how about this one? Let's say two things. First of all, look at the sun. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. Oh, oh, oh. There's one, right? What do we say? Hot. Okay. And one more. Look at this. This is the sun. And the sun is going, oh. What do we say? Sunny. All right. So for two things, we can say it is hot and sunny. Ta-da! It is hot and sunny. Whew. Very hot, very sunny. Now we have 4 more words and 4 more pictures. These are called seasons. All right? For example, this says summer. That's a very hot season. And this says winter. Winter's a very cold season. All right? So let's match the words with the pictures. First, we have spring. Okay? In spring, there are flowers. That's right. In spring, there are pretty flowers and grass and rain from the sky. That is spring. Which of these pictures is spring? Ah, yes, here are the flowers. See, the girl has a flower and there are many pretty flowers everywhere. In spring, the flowers come up from the ground. This is spring. Ta-da! Next, we have summer. Remember, what is the weather in summer? In summer, how's the weather? It is very good. It is hot. It is hot. Is it hot in this picture? No, it is cold. It's hot in this picture. Look, it's sunny. And the little boy and his mom are wearing the swimming suits. They're wearing swimming suits. Why? Because it's summer. Ding, ding. Next, we have fall. All right? In fall, the leaves on the trees change color. First, they're green, but then they change to red or yellow or orange. That is fall. Okay? Fall is a little bit cold and the trees change color. Right here is fall. See these leaves? Red, yellow, brown, orange. They change color and they fall down. Here is fall. And finally, we have winter. In winter, it is cold and snow falls from the sky. Look at these children. They're wearing hats and mufflers and jackets, and they're making a snowman. You make a snowman in winter. Da, da, da. Bravo. Let's ask again, how's the weather? They are spring, summer, fall, and winter. All right? Spring is warm. Okay? Spring is warm. Warm means a little bit hot. Just a little bit hot. Ah, warm. That is spring. Summer is hot. Ugh, and sunny. You can feel the sun. Fall is cool. Okay? Cool is a little bit cold, just a little bit. Ah, cool. Ah. And winter is cold and snowy. All right, let's look at these pictures here. This is spring. See, spring is warm and there are flowers. Okay, here is summer. Why? Summer is hot and sunny. Okay? Over here is fall. See, fall is a little bit cool. The clouds are gray and the trees change color. And winter, here is winter. Winter is cold and snowy. Do you see the snow? Winter is cold and snowy. All right, now let's match each word with the right picture. We have first the word grow. What is grow? Grow means first it's small, but then it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah, that is grow. Like, for example, a flower. First, a flower is very small, but it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and ta-da! It's a flower. Which one of these pictures is grow? Is this grow? No, look. Here it is big. Here it is big. It didn't grow. Is this grow? Let's see. It's very small. Oh, it's bigger. Oh, it's even bigger. Yes, this picture here is grow. Let's draw a line. Da, da, da. The next one is change. All right? Change means the color or the shape is different. All right? For example, look here. First, it's all gray. Now, ta-da! It changed. Now it's blue. Right now, I'm sad. Now I changed. I'm happy. Yeah, that's change. All right? Is this change? No. This is a green leaf, and this is a green leaf. It's the same. How about this? Here, the leaves are green. Yes, they're green. But here, the leaves are orange and yellow and red. The leaves changed. Change. After change, we have fall from. Okay? Fall means like that, coming down. Okay? Rain and snow fall from the sky. All right? And leaves fall from the tree. All right? In fall, the leaves fall. Here is fall from. Whoop. And finally, the last word we have is leaves. All right? Are these leaves? Yes, they are. Are these leaves? Yes, they are. And are these leaves? Yes, these are 2 leaves. Choo! Leaves. Now it's time for Let's Read. This story is called Trees Change with Each Season. All right, you remember change. The leaves are green. Now the leaves are orange and red and yellow. And you remember season, right? Summer, fall, winter, and spring. This means every season, trees change. Let's find out. Here are 4 trees. 1 tree for each season. Let's read the first sentence. Trees grow new leaves in spring. All right, you remember grow. Grow means small, then bigger, and bigger. Trees grow new leaves in spring. Here is a spring tree. Do you see the little leaves? Yeah, those are new leaves. Trees grow new leaves in spring. This is a spring tree. Trees have many green leaves in summer. Okay? In spring, just small leaves. But in summer, there are many green leaves. Trees have many green leaves in summer. This is a summer tree. Next, leaves change color and fall from the trees in fall. Okay, you remember fall. Fall is the season. Fall is after summer and before winter. In fall, leaves change color. Do you remember change color? First they're green. Oh, now they're yellow and red and orange and brown. They changed color. Leaves change color and fall from trees. See, look at this. The leaves are falling from the trees. This happens in fall. This is a fall tree. Next, many trees have no leaves in winter, right? In fall, the leaves fall from the trees. So in winter, many trees have how many leaves? No leaves, 0 leaves. Many trees have no leaves in winter. This is a winter tree. This story is, do you like summer or winter? Okay? Do you like summer or winter? I like summer. See, here's summer. It is sunny in summer. I like hot and sunny weather. All right, here's some children. They like hot and sunny weather. I like winter. It is cold in winter. Cold. It is snowy in winter. See, here's a snowman. Snow is everywhere in winter. See, look, snow is over here, snow is over here, snow is over here, snow is over here. Snow is everywhere. I like cold and snowy weather. And that's everything for Unit 1.